This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Vacco. You will be in #X201C, wowed in #X201D. By this former model home with a pool/spa in desirable Riverstone in Naples. This Shiraz floor plan is a spacious 6-bedroom, 5 full bath and loft with designer finish throughout the whole house. Chef and #X2019, Delight gourmet kitchen with a peekaboo window backsplash, a center work island with wine fridge and a gorgeous custom wood ceiling. The large master suite has its own private balcony overlooking the pool and lake, and is adorned with a coffered ceiling to create an intimate retreat. The spacious his and her master bath with double entry shower is equally impressive. Privacy abounds in the rear yard with southern exposure and private lake views and #X2026, a wonderful place to relax in your pool/spa or perfect for a party. Riverstone resort-style amenities include resort-style swimming pool and spa, lap pool, children's splash pool and tot lot. A full-time activities director, fitness center, social hall with catering kitchen, billiard and game room, 5 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, indoor and outdoor basketball/pickleball courts, kids outdoor play areas. Excellent location close to shopping and restaurants, 15 minutes to beautiful beaches. 30 minutes to RSW Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Vacco at 239-776-1960.